Ooh, Lord. Well, good Saturday morning to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Lord have mercy. I hope everybody's having a good Saturday, and I hope y'all have a good weekend. But I'm here to tell you, in East Central Mississippi, it's showing up hot. It's about 0900 hours my time, and it's about 93 degrees outside. And it's gonna get hotter. Yesterday, it pushed 110 degrees over here in East Central Mississippi. Incredibly hot, I'm here to tell you. But what I want to make mention of, if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her in the sticks, I thank y'all for coming back. What I wanted to share with you and y'all today is, I got some stuff that I want to show y'all. So give me a second and I'm gonna show it to you. Before I forget, I'd like to say that Miss Irene and Miss Tisha, I have received your email as far as the true blue collar seeds. I'm gonna get them to you. And also, you and y'all, I have plenty of seeds. So if y'all would like to try some true blue collards over there at your home place, at your homestead, or wherever you at, shoot me an email at homeintthesticks@gmail.com and I'll get some seeds out to you, because I got plenty. I like to share them too. All right, you and y'all, what I'm gonna say is, I try to plant a lot of trees over here at my home place. When I bought the property, it didn't have a tree one, and I've planted quite a few trees over here. I was like, you know what, Dan? Plant some more trees, but plant some trees that will produce things that you can eat. So I was like, yeah, I need to start doing that. I'm gonna say, I got a lot of inspiration from my brother Rob, the Sapper Gardener. I watch pretty much all of his videos, but I've been paying really close attention to your micro orchard videos and all the updates that you do and what you got growing on over there. So I was like, you know what? I got the land over here, so let me commence to planting some fruit trees and whatnot. Let me show you. Look at her. I actually got these trees, and what this is a gold nugget loquat, or a Japanese plum tree. Got these guys. Yeah, I see you over there, Maddie. It's a gold nugget loquat. And I received 2 of these trees, 1, 2, for Father's Day. And I planted this one up. I didn't shoot any video on it because it was just stupid hot. And I was like, let me just get out here and dig the hole, prepare the hole, get this guy planted. I have some loquat trees in the ground over here. Here's one, that's the smaller one. Here's the bigger one. I actually planted this guy this morning at about 5:30 this morning. It was light, but it was really cool. So I got out here and got after it before the sun came up and got this loquat in the ground as well. How you doing, Maddie? So I'm gonna try to get me a little mini orchard going on over here. What I was afraid of with the loquats is the zone that I am in. These loquat trees grow extensively in New Orleans. And the reason why I was on a hunt for loquat trees is because when I was a kid, my next door neighbor had a huge loquat tree. We didn't call them loquats, we called them Chinese or Japanese plums. And I remember climbing the tree, that's how big it was, and eating the loquats and like spitting the seeds out on the sidewalk. Yeah, so I was like, I want to plant some loquat trees over here. And believe it or not, these loquats were not all that expensive. They were probably about 25 bucks a piece. What an awesome Father's Day present. I'm gonna go over here by the shop and I'm gonna show you something else that I purchased, and I'll tell you a little something about it. That there is an avocado tree. Purchased this from Lowe's, or from the Lowe's, and this is the fantastic variety. It kind of in poor shape. I'm gonna see if I could get him going again. He has a little sunburn on him, and I think he's having some mite issues on these leaves, but that's cool. I think we can deal with it. Lowe's had all of their fruit trees and trees were 50% off. This thing, believe it or not, is 50 bucks. So paid half price for it. And it's a decent size avocado, and I think it's gonna grow. What I'm gonna say is, I planted, several years ago, I planted an avocado tree over here at my home in the sticks, over there by my pool deck, several years ago. And it lived for about a year. What I did not realize is, you don't plant an avocado like you do an avocado tree like you would a regular tree. With the avocados, all of the feeder roots are probably about 6 inches from the top of the root ball. So about 6 inches down, that's where all the roots feed from. So this tree doesn't like to be planted deep, not deep at all. That was my mistake. I didn't do enough research on how to plant and care for an avocado. But guess what? I done me some research and we ain't gonna do it again. So hopefully we can get some avocados over here. I love avocados. I could eat one every day if I could. But let me show you where I'm gonna plant it. See that raised 4x4 raised bed right there? What I'm gonna do is I'm thinking about cutting that down and making it a 3x3 raised bed. And I'm gonna plant the avocado tree right there. I'm gonna build a mound up and I'm gonna set him down in that mound and just hill him up. So his roots don't get compacted, and of course avocados like very loamy, loose soil. They don't like to get drowned. They like to be wet, but not soggy. So we're gonna try to grow that fantastic avocado over here. That's the west, that's the east, that's the south, and that's the north. I'm gonna situate this thing at a southeast. I'm gonna position the avocado tree in a southeast position. I think it'll grow right there. It'll be shaded by these trees, and it'll get some protection from the wind from my shack and also my feed shed. So I think that's gonna be a good place to put that avocado tree. If y'all have some suggestions, hey, throw them in the comments. I like listening to suggestions, and I listen and read. I read all of the comments. I think that's gonna be a good place to put it, according to my research, but hey, we're just gonna see. And I forgot to mention, one of the main reasons of putting it there is because avocados, when they're young, the small avocado trees actually grow underneath the parent avocado tree. So there's a bunch of leaves covering it. Their bark is real, their trunk and the bark, and it's probably not even, I don't even think an avocado tree has bark. But the skin on the stem is very sensitive and it bruises real easy and it'll get sunburned. So I think that'd be a good place to do it. Y'all, I'm gonna end this video. It is starting to get stupid hot out here. Well, it is stupid hot out here. But again, I hope everybody is having a good weekend, and I hope y'all have a safe Saturday. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Really? With that being said, you know what's coming, Dan Referee sure enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on, it's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.